Hello students. Today we have done question answer of The Sound of Music part 2. Let us begin. What was the name of Bismillah's father? Pagambar Books. Who invented Shehnai? A. Barber. Who was Ali Baksh? Bismillah's uncle. When and where is Shehnai played? On auspicious occasions, temples, weddings. Bismillah Khan was called Khan Sahab. Bismillah Khan was deeply attached to the Ganga. When was Bismillah Khan awarded the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna? In 2001. Where was Bismillah Khan born? Dumrao. When did he died? 21st August 2006. Thank you.